For Lab 5 demo, you want to make sure your breadboard is all set up and your multi-sim file is as well. And after those are set up, you can start looking at your board. The first thing you want to make sure is that you know which of these gates are which. Currently, I have mine as an AND gate, a NAND gate, an OR gate, and then a NOT gate. So that is how I'm going to be looking at these switches. I'm going to turn mine on, first by turning on the power supply, and then by turning on the breadboard. So when my green light turns on, two lights come up. And the first light that is going to come on is the NAND gate, and then the next one that's going to come on is the NOT gate. So the NAND gate and NOT gate are on for both of these when both switches are off. We can say that when the switches are at 0, 0, when we look at the truth table, the NAND gate will be 1 and the NOT gate will be 1. If we flip the second switch, so if we flip the second switch, we're going to have 0, 1, and that just means the second switch is active, and we can see that the second switch is active and the first switch is not. When we do that, a few things are going to happen. The NAND gate and the NOT gate are going to stay lit, but now the OR gate is going to turn on as well. So the three gates that are going to be active are NAND, the OR, and the NOT. So these last three gates, and that can be seen by the truth table or multisim, depending on how you set this up. And also depending on how you wire these, it can light up differently for the bars. Next, we're going to turn off the second one and turn on the first one. So if we do that, we are going to have 1, 0. And if we have 1, 0, we can see that the first switch is going to light up, meaning that 1 is turned on. And then we are going to see that our NAND gate and our OR gate are going to turn on, and everything else is going to be off. So for our AND, it's 0, for NAND, it's 1, and then for OR, it is 1, and then NOT is 0. Lastly, if we turn both of them on, this means that we are going to have 1, 1 connection. They're both on. We can see that both of our switches are lit here, both 1 and 2. Then the AND gate is going to turn on, so this gate is going to be 1. The NAND gate is going to be 0, which is why it's turned off. The OR gate is going to be 1, which is why it is turned on. And lastly, the NOT gate is going to be 0 because it is turned off. And that's how you would go about demoing your lab. Might be a little bit different depending on how your gates are lined up and which wires are connecting to which LED bars, but that is the general idea.